Hey guys! Today I want to make something out of polymer clay. Oh, what? What's this, Sam?
Sue, it's a nightmare!
What happened? What's all this mess? Did you rob a phone case store or something?
No, Sue, I just can't pick a phone case.
Well, what's wrong with these? This one seems fine. Oh!
Sue, don't you understand? They're not good enough for me.
Oh, that's the problem, huh?
Yes, they aren't helping me express my individuality.
Oh.
Personally, I don't see anything funny about it.
Hey, Sammy, come on, don't pout. I think I know how to solve this problem.
How?
You like Oreo cookies, don't you? How about an Oreo case for your phone?
What? Oreo case? I want it so much!
Nom nom. Well, Sammy, let's get to work then. So, guys, today we're gonna make an Oreo phone case. We'll need polymer, clay, and your usual white phone case. First, take the clay and knead it nicely. We need to put two colors together, brown and black, so that it looks like cookies.
Sue.
What is it, Sam?
Could you use a blue phone case instead?
Well, no, Sam, because the cream in Oreo cookies is white.
Oh, well, okay then, Sue.
Now we need to mix black and brown together like this. Then we roll out the clay to get it flat. Nice! Now let's try to use a rolling pin on our dough. Keep going, keep going. Almost there.
Sue!
Now what, Sammy?
Maybe you'll use a yellow case?
No, Sam, I told you that we need a white one.
Ugh.
What's the matter, huh, Sam?
Okay. I was just thinking I could still use a white one. It would match my evening suit perfectly.
Oh, Sammy. You never change, do you?
Come on, Sue, don't be angry with me. Guys, let's all give this video a thumbs up to make Sue happy instead of angry.
Okay, I'm not angry. We need to cut the clay so that it's the size of the case. There, great. Let me get this out of the way. There we go. Now, let's cut the corners. Cool. Guys, we're getting to the most interesting part here. We'll need a clear image of an Oreo cookie to take a good look at the pattern and then repeat it. I think this is perfect.
Sue, wait! I have a better image.
Ooh, bring it on.
Sorry, Sue, I couldn't get it to you on time. Keep going.
Why am I not surprised? To recreate the pattern, I'll need this kind of tool. It will help me repeat the smallest details of the cookie pattern.
Hey, Sue, while you were taking it slow, I already made a template for you.
Wow, thank you, Sammy. There, now we have to repeat the cookie pattern, guys. Gotta be careful. Let's make the word Oreo clear and nice. I wonder what we've got. Oh, it's just right. I'll need an old toothbrush now.
Oh, so that's where my old toothbrush is.
Great. Now for the most difficult part. We have to make a lot of small parts, just like the details on the real Oreo cookies. Let's go. We'll start with the little stripes that will stick to the sides of our case. Hey, this is fun.
Listen, Sue, why do you need so many little worms?
These aren't worms, Sammy. These are for decorating our case. Here, look.
Oh, Sue, you'll have to make a whole lot of little worms. I'll help ya.
Oh, thank you, Sammy.
And while we're busy making little worms, be sure to subscribe to our channel. You don't want to miss cool new videos and crafts, do you?
So we're all ready here.
Don't mention it, Sue. Helping you is my duty.
Yes, Sam, it would have taken much longer without you. Now I only need to stick all these little bits and pieces so that it looks just like a real Oreo cookie. And attach these little flowers here. On we go! Here's what we've got, guys.
Sue?
What is it, Sam?
It's beautiful, but if I put this case in my pocket, it'll get all
you're right, Sammy.
Aw.
To harden our case, we should leave it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes at 120 degrees. That's what I'm gonna do now.
Interesting. Guys, have you ever baked your clay crafts in the oven? Comment and tell me about it. I'll go watch Sue so that she doesn't mess up, you know.
Look, guys, it's awesome! Sam, come take a look. Sam, where are you? Wait, what's that weird smell?
I'm here, Susie.
What happened to you?
Oh, don't you worry, Sue. It's just that I decided to get brighter. Well, what do you say?
What have you done?
Everything's okay. I just decided to bake my crafts to harden them, but they melted instead, Sue turned into a puddle.
Oh, Sammy, your crafts were made of Play-Doh. Only special kind of clay gets hard when heated.
Well, now I know.
Okay, to create our Oreo phone case, we need to make another cookie-shaped cover like this one here. To avoid doing all this tedious work again, we'll make an impression of the first part. We'll need cornstarch and silicone. Sam, have you seen the silicone gun by any chance?
Here you go.
Thanks, Sammy. I'll mix cornstarch and silicone in a bowl. We're supposed to get a clay-like substance as the result.
Interesting. I mean, we're making a clay-like substance to make a mold for our polymer clay. That's crafting for you, right?
Great, look what we've got now. To make a mold, we need to roll out our silicone mask. Ooh, that feels nice. We did a good job. Okay, now let's take the first part of our Oreo case and press it into our silicone.
Wow, Sue, can you make a mold shaped like me?
What for, Sammy?
I'll assemble a huge Sam army!
Oh no, Sammy, you alone are more than enough for me. We need to leave the mold to set for about 2 hours. Great, I think our mold is all set. We'll carefully take out our case part now. Great!
How much longer, Sue? Where's my Oreo phone? I'm so eager to surprise everyone.
Have some patience, Sammy, we're almost done.
Okay.
I'm going to roll out another piece of clay and fill the mold with it. Hop. There, carefully now. Yes, just like that. I'll fill the empty space with the remaining clay. Uh-huh.
Right, let us use all the clay. Sue and I are very thrifty. Give a like if you agree.
Awesome, you know what's next? It's going into the oven.
Sue, don't rush.
Why not? You asked me to hurry, didn't you?
I haven't cleaned all the Play-Doh off the oven yet.
Oh, you Sammy, come, I'll help you. Hooray! Both parts of the Oreo case are finally ready. Let's put them together now. We'll need super glue and a small piece of thick fabric to do it. First, we'll glue the back lid to the cover. There, great.
Sue, may I take my case yet?
No, Sammy, if you want to speed it up, help me and glue this piece of fabric to the front lid.
No! Super glue? No, Sue, you'll definitely get glued to something. I won't be able to get it off.
Okay, we'll glue our piece of fabric here. Now we'll paint our fabric brown so it doesn't stand out. Sammy, could I borrow some brown paint, please?
Sure, Sue.
Wow, that was so fast. I could use a brush, too.
Be careful with it, Sue. It's a professional artist brush.
All right, Sammy, let's paint it. There. We only have to assemble 2 parts together now. To do it, I'll apply some glue on the inner part of the cover and put the lid on it. And that's our final touch. Yay! Wow, it looks so awesome! Guys, do you like our Oreo case? Be sure to comment and tell us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell.
Wow, Sue, you did such a great job. Come on, give it to me now.
You're so impatient, Sam. Here you go.
Wow, what is that? Is that an Oreo cookie? No, my friends, it's an Oreo case. See how it opens and closes. Imagine you're walking down the street and then your phone rings. So you pull out your Oreo phone and everyone around you is surprised. They say, what? Is that an Oreo cookie? But no, it's an Oreo phone, my friends. You want to learn how to make such cool things and surprise everybody? Then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. We have so many interesting things in store for you. Bye-bye now.